Step into your dream at Flewitt House, nestled in Nottingham's heart, a beacon of aspiration realized. Discover luxurious en-suites featuring cozy beds for a restful night's sleep, ample storage to keep all your belongings organized, and study-ready desks with chairs ensuring your academic goals are well within reach. But there's more to love. Engage in lively conversations in shared living spaces and enjoy communal meals around the dining table. All the utility bills included, simplifying your finances and allowing you to focus on what matters most. Just a stone's throw from University Park campus and the University of Nottingham, you'll never miss a lecture. On weekends, delight your palate at local gems like Anatolia Restaurant Nottingham and Bistro 66, or find serenity in nearby Arboretum Park and Walleton Park. With easy access to transportation, exploring the city and beyond is effortless. Seize the opportunity. Visit amberstudent.com now to secure your spot at Flewitt House Nottingham. Your perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and community awaits, making every day a step closer to your dreams.